See? Like this.
What is that, Lucas?
I know the cross.
The cross?
Yeah.
Who did Jesus die for?
Die for me.
For you?
For me.
Can you show me how to make a cross with your hands? Show me with your hands, your fingers. What did Miss Jamie show you?
I know.
Let me see.
I will show you how I make a cross. I show how.
I love your cross, Lucas. You did such a good job painting it. It's so nice. You used lots of colors. Are we going to hang that in your room?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show me how to do a cross. How did Miss Jamie show you?
Like this.
That's right. You're busy with your puzzle. Okay.